In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a seller on Alibaba. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your business globally, Alibaba is a fantastic platform to reach millions of buyers from around the world. So, if you've ever wondered how to get started on this journey, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Alibaba's official website at www.alibaba.com. This is your gateway to the platform and where all the magic begins. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll want to look for an option that invites you to create an account. Make sure you specifically choose the option for creating a seller account, as this is tailored to helping you become part of their vast network as a supplier. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the section on the website that allows you to become a supplier. This often involves finding a link or a button that clearly says "Become a supplier." This step is crucial because it transitions you from just a visitor to someone who's ready and geared up to list products and engage with potential buyers. As you prepare to become a supplier, take a moment to scroll through and read the website's resources. Alibaba provides ample information and guidelines, making it easier for new sellers to get acquainted with the platform's expectations and opportunities. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with any policies or tips they offer, ensuring you're starting off on the right foot. Once you feel comfortable and informed, the next move is straightforward. Click on the Start Selling Now button. This is where your journey truly begins, setting your path on moving forward as a seller. A new screen will appear, ushering you into the next phase of the onboarding process. Here, you'll receive a message confirming that Alibaba will contact you within 3 days. This communication is essential as it allows them to verify your details and get you set up with all the necessary tools to list your products and start reaching buyers. As you wait for Alibaba to get in touch, consider preparing any additional materials you might need, such as high-quality images and detailed descriptions of your products. This preparatory work will come in handy as you begin creating listings that attract attention and meet buyers' needs. And there you have it, the simple process of becoming a seller on Alibaba. By following these steps, you're opening your business to a global audience ready to explore countless opportunities. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your Alibaba selling journey.